Hey people, welcome back. Just a quick thingy basically. Video on how I'm reviving a phone battery that's completely dead. Look at how much current that this is charging through, or taking this through this, and it's dropping quite rapidly. But the battery seems to be so-called either in the sleep mode, and that's how I'm waking it up. So I've hooked it up with these battery charging device. It's one of them. That's what the brand name is, and that's, you know what the issue is basically. I've custom designed this for other phone to support other phone batteries, but that's beside that. I mean, a battery couldn't possibly take 1.8 amp of charge, so I'm going to leave that in for about 15 minutes. So, you know, if you've got a dead battery, excuse me, just sneeze then. That's how I go about sort of bringing it back to life. Now, usually the amp drop is quite slow, so to my mind that this battery probably be going in the bin at some point. But if you can't, you know, it's an original Apple battery that came with the phone, so if you can revive it, then revive it. So we'll leave that on for about half an hour, see how we go on with it, and hopefully we should have a working battery at some point. It's off an iPhone 7. That's that. I do have a topic on iPhone 6 Plus, one of the worst phone to fix basically. So I'll upload a video very shortly about that. Okay, take care, bye for now.